Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you a product that helps enhance intelligence, improve memory, and focus for children. It's IQ Gold Milk. IQ Gold is made from special ingredients like omega-3, DHA imported from Denmark, memophenol from French grapes and North American blueberries, along with Cistanche tubulosa. These ingredients have been proven to help develop intelligence, provide essential nutrients for the brain, and enhance logical thinking and creativity in children. This product is specially designed for children ages 3 to 18 years old, supporting brain development, improving IQ levels, increasing concentration, and reducing issues such as hyperactivity, delayed cognitive development, or language disorders, and even reducing stress during the learning process. During the time I've been giving my child IQ Gold, I've noticed a clear change. My child is becoming more diligent, focusing better on studying, remembering things more effectively, and reacting more quickly. I have great trust in IQ Gold, and I will continue giving it to my child. If you want your child to improve their intelligence and develop physically, try IQ Gold now.